Have you ever wondered who ensures that employees are fairly compensated and benefits are distributed equitably in a company? Welcome to the world of a compensation and benefits specialist, with company Phone.do a key player in the realm of human resources. These professionals are the architects of an organization's compensation and benefits structure, creating a framework that not only retains existing employees, but also attracts new talent. Imagine a balanced scale. On one side is the company's budget, and on the other side, the employee's satisfaction. The compensation and benefits specialist stands in the middle, ensuring the scale doesn't tip too far in either direction. They craft competitive, equitable, and aligned programs that resonate with the company's goals and objectives. Their role is pivotal in maintaining a satisfied and motivated workforce, ensuring that everyone feels valued and well rewarded for their hard work. They are the silent heroes behind a company's success, contributing significantly to the overall morale and productivity of the workforce. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into what a compensation and benefits specialist does. A compensation and benefits specialist is like the backbone of a company's HR department. This role serves as the linchpin in shaping the financial well-being of the company's most valuable asset, its employees. The compensation and benefits specialist is responsible for developing and administering the company's compensation and benefits programs. They carry the weighty responsibility of ensuring that the company's compensation and benefits programs are not just competitive, but also equitable. They have to ensure that these programs align with the company's goals and objectives, creating harmony between the company's vision and its employees' needs. Imagine the job as being a bridge builder, connecting the company's strategic goals with the aspirations of its employees. It's a role that requires a strategic mindset, a deep understanding of human resources, and a keen eye for detail. The compensation and benefits specialist designs a fair, equitable, and competitive total compensation and benefits package. This package isn't just a random assortment of numbers and benefits, it is a carefully curated selection that fits and is aligned to the company's strategy and business goals. They also develop a consistent compensation philosophy. This philosophy isn't just a set of nice words, it's a guiding principle that is in line with the work culture and organizational objectives. It's a philosophy that ensures that compensation practices are in compliance with current legislation and that the company's practices are above board and transparent. They also have a hand in shaping the company's culture. They assess employees' needs by conducting organizational psychology surveys to find out what motivates and engages employees. This insight helps them create compensation and benefits programs that not only meet the financial needs of employees but also contribute to their overall job satisfaction. So, they play a vital role in ensuring that the company's compensation and benefits programs are competitive and equitable. The compensation and benefits specialist doesn't just deal with numbers and regulations. They are instrumental in shaping a company's culture and ensuring that it's a place where people want to work and can see a future. They are the architects of the financial wellness of the company's workforce. So, what does it take to become a compensation and benefits specialist? Well, it's not just about having a knack for numbers or a love for spreadsheets, although those certainly help. First and foremost, the ideal candidate should have prior experience in human resources practices and compensation cycle management. This means they've spent time navigating the ins and outs of HR, understanding the rhythm and flow of compensation cycles, and mastering how to balance employee satisfaction with company budget constraints. This role is not just about managing numbers, but also about understanding jobs. That's where a working knowledge of job evaluation and job analysis systems comes into play. This expertise allows the specialist to determine the worth of a job in relation to other jobs in the company, ensuring fairness and equity in compensation. Now let's talk about organizational psychology. This might sound like a fancy term, but in essence, it's about understanding what motivates people at work. A compensation and benefits specialist uses this knowledge to design compensation and benefits packages that not only attract and retain employees, but also motivate them to perform their best. And finally, it's crucial to have an up-to-date understanding of current labor rules and regulations. This knowledge ensures that the company's compensation and benefits programs are not only competitive and equitable, but also compliant with the law. So, to sum it all up, the role of a compensation and benefits specialist requires a mix of experience, knowledge, and understanding across several areas. It's about balancing the needs of the company with the needs of its employees, navigating the complexities of HR, and staying updated on the ever-changing landscape of labor rules and regulations. These qualifications ensure that a compensation and benefits specialist can effectively perform their duties and responsibilities. So, if you're someone who loves a challenge and has a passion for people, this could be the perfect role for you. A compensation and benefits specialist has a laundry list of duties and responsibilities. Now, let's dive into the specifics of these tasks and understand how they contribute to the company's strategy and business goals. Firstly, they are responsible for defining a fair, equitable, and competitive total compensation and benefits package. This task involves a deep understanding of the market trends, the company's objectives, and most importantly, the needs of the employees. It's like piecing together a puzzle, ensuring that every element fits together to form a well-rounded benefits package. They also develop a consistent compensation philosophy in line with work culture and organizational objectives. This means they are the architects of the pay structure, ensuring that it is not only competitive, but also aligns with the company's ethos and goals. In many ways, they are the guardians of the company's reputation, as they ensure that compensation practices comply with current legislation. A big part of their role is to assess employees' needs by conducting organizational psychology surveys. They delve into understanding what motivates and engages employees. Is it a higher salary, more vacation days, flexible working hours, or maybe health benefits? They listen and translate these needs into the company's compensation and benefits strategy. They also prepare job descriptions, job analysis, job evaluations, and job classifications. This involves a keen eye for detail and a strong understanding of different roles within the company. They ensure that every employee is fairly compensated based on their role, responsibilities, and contributions to the company. Participating in salary and labor market surveys to determine prevailing pay rates and benefits is another crucial task. They need to have their finger on the pulse of the market, understand the industry standards, and ensure that the company remains competitive. They also differentiate pay systems to invest in the segments of the workforce that contribute the most value. In other words, they ensure that high-performing employees are rewarded appropriately, thereby promoting a culture of meritocracy. Furthermore, they deploy effective communication strategies and success metrics. It's not enough to design a great compensation plan. Employees need to understand it. They break down complex information into digestible pieces and make sure that every employee understands their compensation and benefits package. Lastly, they conduct ongoing research into emerging trends, issues, and best practices, and conduct periodic audits and prepare reports. This ensures that the company remains ahead of the curve and complies with all the necessary regulations. These duties ensure that the company's compensation and benefits packages are fair, equitable, and competitive. In essence, a compensation and benefits specialist plays a pivotal role in shaping the company's culture, retaining talent, and driving performance. Now, let's talk about the pay and benefits of a compensation and benefits specialist. This is where the fruits of your labor start to show, and it's quite a fruitful role indeed. In the United States, the average salary for a compensation and benefits specialist stands at around $72,000 per year. That's a robust figure, isn't it? But remember, this is an average, and depending on the company, the region, and your experience, this figure can vary. But wait, the financial compensation is just one part of the package. The benefits that come along with this job role are equally enticing and important. As a compensation and benefits specialist, you can typically expect to receive health insurance, ensuring that you and your family's health needs are taken care of. Dental and vision insurance are often part of the package too, covering your regular checkups and any unforeseen issues that might arise. Life insurance is another key benefit, providing peace of mind and financial security for your loved ones. Additionally, companies often offer a 401(k) plan, supporting your long-term financial goals and retirement planning. Now that's looking out for your future. But it's not all about the future. The here and now is equally important. Hence, paid time off is another significant benefit, allowing you to rest, recharge, and return to work with renewed energy and focus. Last but not least, flexible work arrangements are becoming more and more common. This flexibility can help you maintain a healthy work-life balance, which is crucial in today's fast-paced world. So, as a compensation and benefits specialist, not only do you ensure that employees are fairly compensated, but you also receive a fair compensation package yourself. You can apply for this job by clicking the link in description below.